Hi guys. So tell me, what is the first thing that comes to your mind seeing this equation? Yeah, tell me the first impression you get about this kind of an equation. Tough? Not really. Okay, so stick around for a few minutes and I'll show you how easy these equations can be. Alright? So work with me, okay? And as we solve this, okay? So once you'll have a grip over them, I don't think so you will be afraid of such sums in future. So to start with, okay, let's write the question here. So x and this is root x. Now this is inside, okay, while we have an exponent of x. Alright, this is equated with x and we have an elaborate exponent for this poor x, 2x and a root x as well. Correct? Now what next? This is the first line. Next would be to try and decode this. Now by decoding I mean is that x is sitting over here with a power of 1 dot. There is a multiplication bond between these two. So this has a square root, which means this has a power of half. Alright? Okay? So I'm sure this makes sense. Correct? Here we have nothing to do for the moment. Alright guys? Now what will be our next step? Since there is a multiplication bond, okay, in them, so can we not add up the powers? Got it? And why so? Because as per the exponential rule, okay, where the bases are same and having different powers or same powers, they got to be added. Correct? Which is what exactly I have done. The rest are very much intact. I have put the power x, which was in the above one, right? This one, let it sit and take rest for a while. Alright guys, now what? I'm sure you people are already calculating, okay, at your end. I'm glad. Okay, so 1 plus half is what? 1.5, which is equal to 3 by 2. Correct? Here x and 2x and, okay, sticking to it is a root x. What next? Yeah, you're absolutely sure and correct. So we have, okay, this. Let's forget about this, okay? We have x, 2x and this. Alright guys? Now remember, okay, since we have x and 3 by 2x and here x, 2x and root x, we have the bases same and bases being same on LHS, okay, left hand side and right hand side, we therefore can equate the powers. Alright, and what are the powers? This from this side and this from this side, which means 3 by 2x will be equal to 2x and root x. Correct? Now, for us it is very convenient to have the two x's cut from both sides as they are the similar terms. What is left over here is 3 by 2 and this side 2 root x. Can we reverse the sign? This side. Okay, so we have 3 by 2 here. Therefore, root x is equal to 3 by 2 multiplied by half. Alright. So which means root x is equal to 3 by 4. Hence, okay, x is equal to 3 by 4 to the power 2. Square root goes to the other side to square up. So my answer is 9 by 16. So wasn't that easy? That was so easy. Thank you so much guys for giving me your valuable time, and I hope you have understood. But in case you have any queries still, you can always write to me in the comment section, and that's what I can say. And if you've liked this video, do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.